Should have thought about this before doing the wheels. These are going to take ages.
By the way guys, if you'd like your car to be cleaned just as well as this car, visit cleanme.co.uk or download the CleanMe app today and you can book a mobile car clean that will come to your location. You don't have to travel to a unit or travel to like a traditional car wash. We come to you, and we've got a nationwide marketplace of vetted professionals who are the best at their job. So you know that your car will always be taken care of. So again, if you'd like your car to be cleaned just like this, visit cleanme.co.uk or download the CleanMe app. Link is in the bio to do either of those options.
Because French car, isn't it? So yeah, they were like, oh, what can we do as an optional extra? So they put in a baguette holder that sits in the passenger footwell. I feel like you can't get one and not get a baguette holder. Not very good.
So now that Ken Block's car is all looking nice and sparkly clean, we'll now move on to the next one.
Better late than never. Breakfast bar. With me making a logo on paint. All right.
It's scary sometimes.
A lot of waiting around. You meet some good people, I'll tell you that. For a company doing 11-hour days.
It's out, and I got the big charger, so that should start.
That'll do the trick.
Sorry, just if I move the bird out here, look at the next bit.
There's just so many open holes. Fun car to try and dry.
And that is a wrap. So we've cleaned Ken Block's absolutely legendary Ford Fiesta rally car, along with 2 other rally cars as well. I actually didn't know what the last 2 were, so if anyone knows what those rally cars were, please let us know in the comment section down below. We only got to do the outside on these cars today just because we cleaned 15 of Mark's cars on this day, so it had to be exterior only cleans. But it was an absolute pleasure to do them. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more. Let us know what car you want to see us clean in the next video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.